Have you ever seen the particle al? No, not that al. The question particle al. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Berserk. Occasionally in questions, you will see the word al. This particle can only occur in yes or no questions, not in who, what, when, where, why, or how questions. Al always comes before the finite verb form, whether it's al dusu, al sara, al dator, etc., etc. You will find it particularly in the Guipuzcoan dialect, but it has spread through a lot of the other Western dialects, and is acceptable to use in Euskara Batua, Standard Basque. Basically, al is a simple question marking particle. Here are some examples, and I want you to note the lack of rising intonation at the end. This is contrary to many English questions. Egingo al duzu? Will you do it? Etortzen alda? Is he coming? Herri hau ezagutzen al duzue? Do you know this country? You can find it combined with the affirmative ba particle or the negative s particle. Baldator? Is he coming? Baldago zure lagunemen? Is your friend here? Ez aldago hemen? Is he not here? Ez aldira oraindik hasi? Have they not started yet? You might see them a lot in rhetorical questions. These two questions from this Basque grammar book really show you the nuance of the rhetorical question. Ez aldizut esan isilik egoteko? Didn't I tell you to be quiet? Haiek baino gutxiago algaragu? Are we less than them? This is not to say that the al particle per se is indicative of the rhetorical question. That is more based on context. Al definitely gives them a more stronger flavor though, I think. The tone of these rhetorical questions in English is a good way to model these al particle questions. Like in the English ones, questions with the al particle don't really have a rising pitch at the end, even if they are yes or no questions in earnest. Though if you remove the al particle, which is perfectly acceptable in all cases, you should use the rising intonation at the end to indicate your interrogation. In certain nuanced situations, the al particle may indicate hope, doubt, or certainty. But that's a bit beyond this video and my expertise so far. In short, nuance basically depends on context. Who would have known? One more thing, you may see it written as A-H-A-L, al, meaning the exact same, though not to be confused with the potential particle al. Thanks for watching, agur!